Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to change the name of your Instagram page or profile. So if you want to change the name of your Instagram profile, first you need to log into that particular account. Now you need to go on the profile section or feed section of your page or your main page of your profile. After this you need to click on the edit profile option. Here you will see the name option, which is the first option. You need to choose that, and after this you need to rename your Instagram profile page. And after renaming your page, if you want to add anything else you can add it. And now after this you need to click on this blue button icon at the top right corner. So after clicking on this, and again you need to click on this, your page name will be changed. So this is the way to change Instagram profile name or page name. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.